Jaja, another one. I hope everyone is doing okay. I remember a couple months ago when Skillibeng shelled down the UK. You had persons saying, just because of England. Now Skillibeng is in the US and he has been tearing it up, believe it or not. And his recent show at the Ecoflex in Los Angeles, California, Skillibeng did the exact same thing. Crowd accept Skillibeng. So I will not waste no time. Topics I need to talk about. WizKid was at Skillibeng event. WizKid was at the Ecoflex and he made an Instagram story post vibing the Skillibeng performance. Viewers, this is big. Plus, Skillibeng Wap 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 remix featuring French Montana and Fabio Farin is trending in Jamaica, also America, also United Kingdom, also Canada. What am I gonna say now? Cha-cha, you have to stick around for the breakdown because it won't be nothing normal. But before I dissect all these topics, the bite of the day, check it out.
Tell JPS to me a thief like my out. I mean, I know that thief like. So suppose me say go out there's a JPS, go around this one, go over this one. You know now go because I don't know they have no money. But that style in our country is style it done. Like they are afraid, yes, me thief like. Me thief. Because so could yourself and go. Make you go down a mango stone, go cut off a mango stone. Go down a Tivoli, go cut off a Tivoli. So we are supposed to charge all of the bills then. Dirty junk or JPS.
No lies were told. And believe me, you will see the comments right now of the typical persons that hate these videos. But the reason why they don't like it because it is not their favorite artist. So basically, WizKid was at the Los Angeles event in California at the Ecoplex, in which it was a success for Skillibeng. As Skillibeng jumped out the crowd, Europe. But before we talk about how the crowd accepts Skillibeng, WizKid is a Nigerian superstar. And if you never know, WizKid has a song entitled Essence becomes the first African song to be certified platinum in the US. This is a big achievement because even though WizKid is big over in Africa, especially in his home country, to get a song recognized in America and then to be certified platinum, it is big. Viewers, America is the place every single artist from outside of America want their music to be successful. So that makes some people talk crap. So at the end of the day, for WizKid post himself on his Instagram story with over a couple millions vibing at the Skillibeng event, viewers, it is a great look. It shows that I've been saying this, all of the mainstream artists know who is Skillibeng and them rate Skillibeng. This one song Wap Wap right now is doing wonders for Skillibeng. So but them go and talk because I guess what, them still a watch. Them still a try to find a hit in a Jamaica. Much less a hit in the US. Trouble did it. Currently not of me doing this video. Me by the way upload the numbers change. Wap 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 remix official video is trending number 8 in Jamaica. If you go across the waters, it is trending number 16 in Canada. Across our next place. Number 27 in England. Over. And next place, which is United States, it is trending at number 44. But not everyone will talk about this. I want to know if we talk about the negativity. But to be fair, the negativity always sells. And you know, more views, more money for people say, but you know, I have to keep it real. Because no matter the situation, the people will still a watch. And Skillibeng a win. So basically, dancehall a win. Check my videos them. Anytime I mention a specific artist, them say, a few me a look, but Skillibeng numbers them knock out the competition by far. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. So basically right now I'm going to touch out, but I'll just play little clippings of the Skillibeng show at Los Angeles. Because Skillibeng shell it. But as I said in the intro, you have a set of people who are saying not just because are you okay. But imagine this in the viewers. Skillibeng left Jamaica, go UK, shell it down. They might find all type of excuse. But should you to win? A set of people upset. Now he is in United States. And him now waste no time. Him now caught in a building. I just work. And the same acceptance Skillibeng received in UK, he is getting it in United States. The proof is right there. But before I play the clips, Skillibeng link up with Mustard, top American producer. Produce songs for Rihanna. And if you never know, the song he produced for Rihanna is entitled Needed Me. And it passed 5 times multi-platinum in America. But I'm not here saying that anything he produces Skillibeng, it will go platinum. No. I'm just letting you know who Skillibeng is amongst. Cha-cha. But we're going to live right there, so. Cha-cha. So now I will play some short clips of Skillibeng performance at Los Angeles. Viewers, pick up to yourself. I'm out.
Yeah, man, that's all. Is that? Yo, Ellie. Put it in me. It playing those cash with it. Is that?